Step 1. Make sure your stethoscope is unlocked by tapping on it. If you don't hear anything, rotate it and try again. Palpate the clavicle and move downwards to the ribs. Between the second and third rib on the right sternal border, hear the aortic valve. On the left side, this is the pulmonary valve. Then move downwards in the fifth intercostal space at the midclavicular line and hear the mitral and tricuspid valves where they are shown. Listen carefully. The first heart sound coincides with the carotid pulse felt on the right side of the neck. The second one comes immediately afterwards. It should sound something like this.